Tax returns, W-2s, paychecks. What do you actually need to get pre-approved to buy a house? This week's Front Porch Friday. Hey everyone, spring is finally in the air, and if you're new to Front Porch Friday, I'm Josh Uminski. I help people buy and sell real estate. Today we're talking about what you really need to get pre-approved in order to purchase a home. There's going to be three main items that your lender needs in order to get the process started. The first is going to be the past 2 years' tax returns. They need to make sure that your income is steady and that you can actually afford to make the payments on your mortgage after you close on the new home. They're going to be looking for fluctuations in your income from year to year, and if there is a huge gap, maybe 1 year you made less, 1 year you made way more, it's going to be a red flag to them. What their concern is going to be, if that is the case, is what happens if next year there's another fluctuation and you don't make as much money as you did the year before? Are you actually going to be able to afford to make that payment? They like to see income that's steady, and if you're making more from year to year, that's even better. The next item they're going to want are your past 2 pay stubs. So you've given them your tax returns that show how much money you make throughout the year. They're going to want your pay stubs to make sure that 1, you're still employed, but also 2, that nothing's changed since you filed your taxes, that you're still making the amount of money that showed up on your tax returns. This is really important because say you filed your taxes in January or February and you're applying for a loan in August or September, they want to make sure nothing's happened in that time, that you're still on track to make the same amount of money that you made the year before. The last item you're going to need are your last 2 bank statements. So you've given them your tax returns, your pay stubs to show that you're making the money, but they're going to want to see, are you saving it? Do you have enough money in your bank account to put down towards your down payment? They're going to track all that and want to make sure that you actually can afford to make those mortgage payments. It's pretty straightforward with what you need. Just think of it as the 2s, your last 2 tax returns, your last 2 pay stubs, and your last 2 bank statements. That's it for this week's Front Porch Friday. Hope you guys picked something up. Make sure you're hitting like on my Facebook page. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on everything real estate.